Domino's Digital Competencies Information Ecosystem addresses the digital transformation the ecosystem of news media is undergoing. It supports increasing the digital capabilities of the higher education sector and contributes to innovation in higher education and vocational training.
The project's overall objective is to reduce societal polarization by combating fake news and online disinformation.
He addresses two target groups. First, university professors employed by the partner universities and civil society trainers, and second, master students in the 3 partner universities.
The concrete objectives of Domino's are to assist the educational staff of partner institutions in acquiring digital teaching skills, innovating educational materials, and adapting to the ongoing digital transformation. To assist academic staff and students in achieving advanced digital skills helpful in detecting and countering propaganda, fake news, and information manipulation leading to social polarization, extremism, and discrimination in society.
Create across Romania, Malta, and Spain a network of experts in the detection and prevention of propaganda and disinformation that can further advance expertise and foster transfer of know-how at the level of the public. Domino's, an innovative way to improve the digital competencies information ecosystem